watching The Angle. I'm Divita Singh. So let's start our bulletin with the headlines first. The Supreme Court expressed concern about the content of web portals and YouTube channels, said they are running anything. BJP has become an attacker on Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's GDP statement. ABVP students demonstrated at the gate of RU today, demanding their 11 demands. Actor and Bigg Boss 13 winner Siddharth Shukla died of a heart attack in Cooper Hospital, Bombay. Now, ISIS-K will be eliminated with the help of Taliban. This plan has been made by US President Joe Biden. When Taliban fighters are celebrating after the departure of US troops from Afghanistan, President Joe Biden has started to devise a new strategy to run the operation against the terrorists. Under this, in the coming days, America can conduct an airstrike against the terrorist organization like ISIS-K and Al-Qaeda. It is being told that the Biden can take the help of Taliban in this operation. The US says that it will be difficult to eliminate terrorists from Afghanistan without the help of the Taliban, so it will be necessary to take them along. The Supreme Court expressed serious concern over fake news circulating on web portals and YouTube channels in the absence of mechanism regulatory. The Chief Justice said that everything in this country is shown from a communal angle. A bench headed by Chief Justice N.V. Ramanna was hearing a batch of petitions filed by Jamiat Ulema-e-Hind, asking the center to take strict steps to stop the spread of fake news related to a religious gathering at Markaz Nizamuddin. The direction was sorted. The action was demanded against those responsible for this. The bench cautioned that almost the news is shown in a section of private news for channels had a communal tinge. Ultimately, this country is going to be in disrepute. Have you ever tried to regulate these private channels? Social media only listens to powerful voices, and without any accountability, many things are written against judges, institutions. Priyanka Gandhi targeted the UP government over the death of people due to fever. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra hit out at the state government over the death of several people, including children, due to fever in Uttar Pradesh, and alleged that no concrete steps have been taken to restore the health system. Sharing news on Twitter, wrote that the news of the death of 100 people, including children, due to fever in Firozabad, Mathura, Agra, and many other places in Uttar Pradesh is very worrying. The UP government has still not taken any concrete steps to strengthen the health system. Look at the conditions of hospitals. Is this your number one facility for treatments? Now, BJP leader told the new name of GDP means D for Digvijay for Congress. Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra has attacked the Congress MP. He said that GDP for Rahul Gandhi means G to Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, D for his political mentor Digvijay Singh, and P to Chidambaram. What do they know the meaning of GDP? Earlier on Wednesday, Rahul has said that GDP means gas, diesel and petrol. An increase in GDP means an increase in their prices. The government is doing the right things by selling the properties of the country. The school of class 9 to 12 has again opened in Rajasthan. Today, the second day of the opening of the school, Education Minister Govind Singh Dotasra arrived to inspect the schools. First of all, he inspected the government girls' school located at Bajaj Road, Sikar. He also assured about the constructions of a new building of this school. After the inspections, Dotasra said that on the second day of opening of the schools, fewer number of girls have come to this school. In Rajasthan, the ABVP students protested outside at the gate of Rajasthan University. They protested against the demands of 11 sources. In this, they demand to reduce fees on the university, demand to conduct MPED exams, which is an entrance paper, as well as demand to reduce the fees of many subjects. The demonstration is being done to talk to the Vice Chancellor. Students present in large numbers in front of the university gate. Today is the last date to apply for RAS examination 2021. Regarding the examination of Rajasthan Public Service Commission has fixed the date of the examination. The Commission has finalized the exam date 27th and 28th October. Today is the last date for the online applications of Rajasthan State and Subordinate Service Combined RAS Competitive Examination 2021 by RPSC. Out of total of 988 posts, 363 posts are of state services and 625 posts are for subordinate services. TV actor and Big Boss winner Siddharth Shukla died due to heart attack. Siddharth Shukla was 40 years old. According to the information received, Shukla had eaten some medicines before sleeping at night, but after that he could not get up. Shukla had made his mark from house to house with the TV serial Balika Vadhu. After that he never looked back. He also appeared in the serial Dil Se Dil Tak. He made this Bollywood debut with the movie Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya. Along with this, Siddharth Shukla won the 13th season of the reality show Big Boss. Apart from this, he also won the 7th season of Khatron Ke Khiladi. That's all for today's video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel The Angle. Thank you.